Hello and welcome to Fall 2017 SSC108 Learning with Technology online course. I'm your instructor for the next 8 weeks. My name is Chris Terranova. I briefly wanted to go over our course online. As you may already know, hopefully, that this course is 100% online. So we won't actually be meeting face to face. There may be one or two dates where I'll set up moving forward a time that we can meet and use a platform called Adobe Connect, and that way we could talk and interact and put some faces to the names and all that. So what I want to do was go over our course and just show you where everything's located. I received a few emails from you. I'm glad that you're able to find my email already, and that's actually going to be one of our first assignments this week. Is you're going to email me, and then you also have a discussion board and a quiz. So I'll show you where all that's located. Every week is going to be the pretty much same type of format. Read an article, do an assignment, and possibly a discussion board. So let me go through everything. First of all, this is our syllabus for this course, specifically for SSC 108. It's 1 lecture hours a week, so you won't have too much work for this class, so it's going to be a nice overview. If some of you have never taken a course online yet, 100% online yet, then this is going to be a nice little introduction to an online course format. If you have taken a course online, then you should have no problem and you should be used to it, but it might be a nice little refresher course for you. So the course description for this course teaches students successful learning strategies with technology in face-to-face and distance courses. So it pretty much be online, hybrid, or web-enhanced course. Now, this is an online course. If this was a hybrid course, we would be meeting a few times, a few weeks out of the semester. But since this is an online course, we won't be meeting at all. Additional materials. So if it is an online course, you are going to need your own computer and internet at home. If you don't have your own computer and internet, the open labs at the Stanton and George campus are open until 10 p.m. at night. So you can utilize those or any type of public library. Okay. So here's some of their course performance objectives. Identify various formats of distance education courses. I just kind of briefly went over that with you. We're going to dive more deep into those, so you know what you're going to register for next time, and you know what to expect basically. Navigate and effectively use technology in a college's learning management system. Our learning management system is Blackboard. That's where our course will be held 100% online. You need to apply strategies for being a successful student in distance education courses. So a great strategy is get all your work done on time, okay? So all your work will be required to be submitted Sundays at midnight, okay? So you have all week. I'm going to open up the weekly folders as we progress through the weeks. So if you don't see week 2 through week 8, that means I haven't opened them up yet. So I just kind of want to control the course and allow you to concentrate on the specific week that we're going to be in. And then the last one, demonstrate effective communication and interaction for success in distance education. So I'm going to have a lot of assignments for you where you're going to collaborate with each other, with me, and we'll see how this works online without actually meeting each other. This syllabus is also available on our course in Blackboard, our learning management course. The evaluation criteria is here as follows. It's pretty much general for every single course in Delaware Tech. All right, so now with the course, this is the course homepage. This is going to be the first screen that you see when you enter the course. This video is also going to be stored under our Getting Started tab, so if you need to refer to this video, it'll be there for you. Underneath the Getting Started, you have Blackboard tutorial video. This is how your final grade would be calculated. All right, and just a little side note, if you ever see Ernie helped me build this course. He designed this course, so I'm trying to replace his name as much as possible with my name. So if you ever see Ernie, I'm Ernie now, but my real name's Chris. Again, so if you ever see Ernie, just disregard that, and it's really me. So you have these assignments, Google Calendar assignment, Google Drive assignments, Google Doc collaboration, Google Forms. These are going to be your weekly assignments coming up. I guess starting pretty much next week. We're not going to be really doing anything with Google yet. Then you have your Word document, PowerPoint, Excel. So these are pretty much all of our assignments in a bundle and how they're weighted. 26%, 13, 33. All right, so these are the same weights. Okay, syllabus and policies. So here's our syllabus. Our policy I'm going to upload, but here's your student handbook for your policies. Instructor information. I haven't moved this over yet from my template, but the best way to reach me is by email. So you should be able to just click that and reach me. I'll put my phone number in there. My office is actually located at the George campus, the Wilmington campus. So if anybody's over there, stop them by. I'll put my office number in there. It's W251. All right. Here is the learning material schedule and assignments. So each week is going to look like this. All right, I haven't opened up your other weeks yet. Here's week 1. So if you click in there, all your assignments will be here. Here's a little introduction to each week as well. So read this email, view, welcome letters, all of this stuff. It's located in the course, and complete. These are your assignments. Again, email Chris, not Ernie. All right, when I click in, there's the article that I wanted you to read. Here's your first assignment. You email me. I put your grade into the grade book. That's how you'll basically receive a credit for that. Discussion board, we'll talk about that in a second. Here's what I want you to answer in the discussion board, and then a Blackboard quiz. The Blackboard quiz is going to be based off of, let me see, everything here. So make sure you view these, and these should give you the answer for your Blackboard quiz. So I'm going back in the week 1 folder, and I'm going to look at your discussion board again. So your discussion board should be due, your first initial post should be due on Wednesday of that week. And then you need to reply to 2 other students as well. I know I said 1, but for this assignment, please reply to 2 students and just tell them hello, and maybe you might know some of them. But the first person that goes in discussion boards, click that link. Then you click week 1 introductions. And then you have to hit create a thread. After you create a thread, everybody after the first initial person will automatically just create the threads as well. So answer these questions, first and last name, your major. For your first name, if you want to do a nickname or whatever you go by, then I would add that in there. Your major, if you don't have a major, say something that you might be interested in taking, something interesting about you, and what do you expect to get out of the class. So this is going to be one of your first initial assignments. I will get this done first before you do your Blackboard. And your Blackboard quiz will be not timed. You can pretty much save it and come back to it later if you run out of time. So it's really just, I guess, a relaxing quiz if there's ever such a thing. All right. So that's everything in your learning materials. So everything we'll be doing in the courses, all your assignments, all your articles, everything will be in your weekly folders. So then this is week 1, and as we get to 2 weeks from now, week 2 will show up, week 3 will follow. Okay. You also have a link here for discussion boards. If you want to quickly click into it rather than going through the weekly folders, you could do it that way. Course email. This is a way to email me. So you could say all students if you want to email any of your classmates, or all instructors, or you can select individual people. So if I go over here, click my name and click this arrow, then I could just go ahead and write an email. So your first assignment, emailing me, this will pretty much handle all of that assignment. So, okay, next, my grades. My grades are your grades. So this is everything that I'll be entering in your grade. So when I click this, my grades. So everything's listed in here. All right. And again, all of this is due Sunday of every single week. Okay. All right. The next thing is Adobe Connect. Adobe Connect, you can kind of disregard this link for now, but this is how we'll be connecting to do a synchronous learning session. So When I set that up, that'll be located underneath the Adobe Connect. So the Adobe Connect link is over here on the left. Learn and support is for you. So let's click in this, and it's Deltek's main page. So it's dtcc.edu. But if you need any help with tutoring, writing in math centers, all that information is in there, and it's by campus. So if you're at the Stanton campus or if you're at the Wilma campus, that's where it'll be located. Okay. Finally, extra help. So I have Ernie's created videos, awesome videos if you need help with any of the assignments. So the videos are located under here, extra help and video tutorials. Okay, so if you click something for Blackboard, like where my analysis is located, it will open up a screencast. So you can play everything in here.
Okay, students, here's a quick video tutorial about reminding you where.
So Ernie created these. Again, they're awesome videos, and he's created them by subjects. So Blackboard, Google, Microsoft Word, miscellaneous, and these are just repeated. So everything's located in there. So if you get stuck on any assignments, this should help you out. All right. So other than that, our class starts on Monday, so in 2 days, and I wish everybody the best of luck. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'm going to send this video out in an email now, and then, like I said, I'm going to post it in the getting started portion of the course. So everybody should be coming in week 1 and getting started in this folder. Okay. Again, for your discussion board, please have it your first initial post, the introduction of yourself, done by Wednesday. That way everybody has time throughout the rest of the week to comment on to other people's posts. So if you have any questions, my email is ctaron1 at dtcc.edu. I should be pretty much around a computer this weekend because I have a lot of work to do. So if you have any other questions, please email me. I'm going to probably send out another video on Monday and give myself an introduction. Talk about myself a little bit and my education, work experience, and other classes I teach at Deltek. By the way, I teach in the computer technology department. So if any of you are computer technology majors, that's awesome. And if you want to talk about any courses or anything, let me know. Best of luck, everybody. Last 8 weeks for some of you. It's kind of a weird split semester for you. So hopefully another course was finished up and it's just not an added on course for you. All right, good luck, everybody.